everyone. Here's a video of the Little Hunter original in my hallway. And it's a 36-inch black one that I cut blades for out of 1/4-inch plywood and stained them, and it makes it 27 inches. And I have another video of this somewhere on my channel from my parents' house that I used to live in, and it was about 22 inches then. It had oak blades on it, and the faceplate and brackets were brass, so I painted those, but the rest of it was still black. And it works really good in here, and when I finish remodeling the hallway, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna go right with it because I'm gonna paint it this color. So anyway, I just wanted to show it running. Here of course is the light with this crystal shade on it, and the fan, 2 speeds. It really goes quite fast with the shorter blades on it, and moves quite a bit of air in here, which is good. And here's low. And off. And there we have it. So that's all there is to see for that. Hope you enjoyed.